good morning guys. Good morning.
Morning,
Nakatulog po ba kayo?
Yeah.
Did you enjoy your stay in Kilcoran Hotel?
Very.
Did you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Very tiring.
Very tiring, yeah. Okay, so in today's video, ito na yung part 2 ng aming Tipperary visit. We are now here in the Rock of Cashel.
A tiki trip.
There. The TT trips.
The tiki trip.
The Tique-Tabuac Tiki trips. Now, TT trips, so 3 T's. And say hello to your blog. Say hello, blog.
Hello, blogger.
What's next? Okay, come on.
Welcome to my channel. Welcome.
Now, okay, so we just have to find where the entrance to this castle. Now, the weather is grand. It doesn't look like good, pero very warm. Napaka-warm today.
Humid.
Yeah, so okay, we're just gonna find the entrance and then I'll show you up there. Okay, this is the Cashel town plan and information about the Rock of Cashel. It's very interesting, but it'll be more interesting inside of it, so let us go there. Yeah. Look at all the stones. Okay. Now, looking at the wall. Let's see. Okay, so we're about to go inside. Wow. So, wow, nice. It's very nice. Oh. Wow. Okay. Yeah. Oops. You okay? Oh. Sobrang luwang. It's huge. What's that? No!
Oh, very good. Yeah, you were there last week.
Baby photos na, di ba? No? Ang bunga na malayo. Outcrop away.
Yeah, yeah.
Wow. Featuring Jasmine here.
Hello.
Hi.
Watch and subscribe.
You haven't met before? You have. You have met before.
Oh yeah.
Or elbow to elbow.
Fist bump. Fist bump. Come on. There. Sige, try mo man. Fist bump kay tita. Fist bump kay tita. Come on. Come on. Oh, nahiya siya. Shot.
Hindi ba naglamuyak daw? Oh, you're so good. You're a great boy. Oh,
Dada.
Dada.
Daddy.
Parang matagal lang magkakilala.
I forgot.
Oh, Pearl. Take it easy.
Are you so close friends now? Wait. Hanak maka-megaphone voice si Jaya Mimano. Siyempre limited edition. How po nga balay?
Pa-demure. looks really nice. Oh my God.
Actually, it's a hacienda.
Kanilang hacienda. Oh my God. It's so nice. No, it's fine. It's,
Estate.
Tomato.
wow. Yeah. Wow, they have a lovely garden. Oh my goodness. You don't need to go outside.
Yeah, this may vegetable patch mo dyan.
Wow. Okay, so we're like in a garden center now or in a park. So we'll show you around ang hacienda ni Jasmine Bautista Shanahan. Woohoo! Hoy! What's that, anak ko? What's that? What's that, anak ko? What's that? Are you enjoying it here? Yeah? Yeah? Wow!
I will show you now. Wait, I'll get it.
You got it. We should ask your dad to make you one of them, yeah? Is it cold? Oh! Nice! Look at him! He's playing with the water. Oh my goodness! Oh, do you like that?
I said, ako rin, sabi nila, kahit naman po ako, wala namang nangyari kung kulang. That's true!
Yeah.
Sabi mo lang,
Ayan. Okay, so we just left Tipperary and we've enjoyed our 2 days stay in our hotel and our adventures as well. So all in all, it was such a nice place, nice county to visit, and it's very quiet. It's a good place to get away from the busyness of Dublin and to relax and de-stress. I will put in the description below about the Rock of Cashel, the V, and the other place that we went to yesterday and today. And I hope you guys check it out, and for your next holiday, or maybe your next destination would be in Tipperary. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Now we're going to Kildare for just a quick visit, just to visit, not a shopping, just a quick visit there in Kildare before we go home. So thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you again on our next adventure. And thank you, and if you haven't subscribed yet to our YouTube channel, please subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell down below if you wanted to be updated on our upcoming adventures. Thank you, and God bless. Bye.